So in the previous video we have seen the if else condition for validating the 80s kid, 90s kid and 2000 kid based on the given year. Okay, but we have given a precondition like that I will be entering only the year as 80s or 90s or 2000 series year only I will be entering like that. If suppose the user is entering some other year as an input, then we should be covering that condition also. So for that one we will try to cover now. Okay, so first if condition has to be year that is less than 1980. So less than 1980 means 79. So up to the year, whatever year that is starting from 0 to 1979, I am going with the output old age people. Okay. Else I am checking the other conditions like whether the year is greater than or equal to 1980, then the year is less than or equal to 89, then 80, likewise for 90, and for 2000 also. For 2000 kid it has to be like this. Now I am going to give the year condition for the 2000 kid. So for 2000 kid it has to be 2000 to 2009. Okay, if not, else if it is greater than 2009 like 2010 or any other year which is greater than 2010, then young people. I am going with output young people. So now whatever year if we give like 1998, if I give and run this program, so it will produce output as 90s kid. If suppose I am giving 1798, so now I will be getting the output as old age people. So up to 1979 it will produce output as old age people. Okay, and if I give anything to greater than 2009 like 2010, then I will be getting the output as young people. So it can be 3000 also. So I am not considering the year after 2010, so whatever year it can be, so if it is greater than 2009, and then I am printing it as young people. But when I give 1990 or 89, you will give as 80s kid. Okay, so now we are covering all the years in this program. Thank you.